My name is Leanna Nelson, and thank you for joining Full Blood Cooking on the Rez. Today I'm going to make my famous macaroni and cheese using commods. And as you can see, we have our macaroni here, we have evaporated milk, we have egg mix, our Blue Bonnet Light, and American cheese. I'm also going to add some store-bought American cheese, not American cheese, but different kinds of cheeses that we can use to spice it up a little bit. So here we go. And I'm going to ask for my little helper to come here, Kiana. Kiana, where are you? Would you like to grate cheese for me today?
Yes.
Okay, so you can grate the cheese. Let me get you a plate. You can grate some cheese for us. There you go. Thank you. We're also using a lot of cheese. Here's Chasey. He's another one of my helpers. Lots of cheese here. I'm going to put a little, we got some commodity oil, so I'm going to add just a tiny bit so the pasta doesn't stick. Now we're going to go over here and make our white sauce. I'm going to turn the stove on. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of Blue Bonnet Light that we get from Commods. And then we get commodity flour too. So now I'm going to add some flour. Make sure it's melted. Add a little flour. We're going to make our roux. Probably about a half a cup. Get our spoon and start stirring. Straight canned milk. Pour it into the sauce. Depending how much you make, you can use 1 or 2 cans, but I like to make a big batch, get it all out of the way. Okay. So then we stir until it's thickened. So it's thickening up now, and I added a little pepper. White pepper would be great, but black pepper is fine, and it's thickening up. There you go. And I use a whisk to make sure we get all the lumps out from the flour. And then we'll add our cheese. The macaroni is cooking, and when it's doubled in size like this, you want to test it, and you want to take it off the stove and drain it. So we're going to go drain it now. We're going to rinse it, get all that starch off of it. And cold water is fine, because we're going to cook it in the oven. Okay. And we'll let our macaroni drain. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to start making our macaroni. I'm going to put half of the macaroni in here. some sauce. Another layer. Some cheese. Okay, now we're going to bake it. That's our macaroni and cheese. Okay, now we have it. Our macaroni and cheese and a nice salad, and I'm going to pour some cranberry apple Commod juice. We'll have our little bit of fruit, a little bit of vegetable, our protein, and our carbohydrates. So we have a complete meal here. Okay, let me taste it. That is so good. I could eat the whole pan. Thank you for joining Full Blood Cooking on the Rez, and come back soon. Bye.
They were strong, carried on with the ceremonies burning sage, singing bird songs until dawn, playing games like beyond, trying to guess the bone in hand, thankful for life every day. California natives, high up in the mountains,